Huawei and ZTE have been banned by the Department of Telecommunication. Besides, the government has cleared its stand that it doesn't want any company to use Chinese equipment in any upcoming projects. The telecom companies have also directed the same to Chinese vendors. This decision is quite shocking, as Huawei and ZTE played an important role in deploying 4G network for Airtel and Vodafone Idea, while Reliance Jio joined hands with Samsung to launch its 4G services. So now I'll tell you Huawei and ZTE important role in India 4G network. Earlier, Airtel chairman Sunil Bharti Mittal urged Department of Telecommunication to consider Huawei and ZTE as both offer technologies at cheaper rates than domestic and other vendors. In addition, both players have been part of Indian telecommunication sector since very long. However, both Chinese vendors don't have any future in the country due to security concerns. Unaware, Mittal earlier said that without getting into a debate on security risk, I can say that over past 10 to 12 years, Huawei has been extremely good with their products. I can safely say their products are superior to Ericsson and Nokia without a doubt. I use the product from all three of them. Furthermore, there are also chances that Huawei and ZTE might not be a part of any other government contracts. The Department of Telecommunication has excluded Chinese vendors from the trusted partner list, which seems that both will not be part of any future contract. The National Cybersecurity Coordination, the government committee, also said no to Huawei and ZTE for all contracts in the medium term. So now I'll tell you what is the Huawei reaction on 5G trial ban. On the other hand, Huawei seems quite optimistic about the future. The company said that Indian government will soon recognize the importance of Huawei and might change its trusted partner list. The company said the government will include Huawei in the rollout. However, it doesn't seem that Indian government is willing or interested to add Huawei and ZTE in the rollout of 5G deployment, as Indian government has not allowed any banned Chinese application to operate in the country again. It seems that Huawei and ZTE will remain on the restricted list and might not be added to the list in future. The DoD has not allowed Chinese vendors to participate in the 5G trials, which clearly means and clearly shows that Indian telecom operators are not allowed to join hands with Huawei and ZTE in future. Notably, Telecom Ministry has allowed Reliance Jio, Airtel, Vodafone Idea and MTNL to conduct trials in the country as soon as possible. However, Chinese embassy spokesperson said that we noted the relevant notification and expressed concern and regret that Chinese telecommunication company have been not permitted to conduct 5G trials with the Indian telecom service providers in India. He said, Chinese vendors have been working in India for very long, creating jobs and making all efforts to construct the Indian infrastructure for the telecom sector. He also stated that banning these vendors will harm the improvement in the telecom sector. I'll tell you some reasons that why Huawei or other Chinese vendors are banned from countries. Several countries have restricted Huawei for deploying the 5G network due to security concerns. These countries believe that Huawei is spying for China through its 5G equipment. In fact, the Federal Communication Commission of the United States said the telecom operators to stop using and remove Chinese equipment from their services. Notably, Chinese 5G services are said to be the most advanced in the entire world. China was expected to dominate the 5G and it is already leading the smartphone market. In addition, China is ahead in terms of investment in the 5G equipment. However, the banning of 5G Chinese vendor from 5G trials shows that both Huawei and ZTE do not come under the trusted partner list, despite the latter played an important role in the BSNL 2G and the 3G deployment. So guys, that's all from our side today. Keep watching Gizboard and thank you.